Yeah, in 1976, 7 man coming out Bob Marley house and Ridley Mouse with bullet. December 3rd, 1976. Yeah, and December 9th, 1976, Ras Lion Heart born. You see it, Rastaman vibration. The year of the righteous one.
Ah, yeah. 1976, 1976, 1976 rock. Well, 1976, 1976, Lion Heart, how we do that? Yeah, 1976, 1976, 1976 rock. 1976, 1976, Rastaman, we hold that. Bob Marley come out with a big album, Rastaman Vibration. And right before that, Sizzler born. Real Rastaman. Vibes Cartel from January 7th, in that same year. Kimani too. You know see it, Anjaro, Anthony B, and the whole away. Our 76 family, the best artists them in the world. And so it seems to me. Devil and a rebel and Dwayne Stevenson. Me I name some artists for free. Avian Blackman, for real, are the Blackman family. Are the 1976, 1976, 1976 vibes. Are the 1976, 1976, yes me I go keep it alive. 1976, 1976, 1976 vibes. Are the 1976, 1976, me I go keep it alive. Cindy breaks, fear, win, Miss World, that's real. And they bought this movie out when they call was Rocky. Trinidad, get them Republic that same year. 1976, me born the Dragon and the Bear. The 1976, 1976, 1976 rock. And at the 1976, 1976, Lion Heart, me do that. At the 1976, 1976, 1976 rock. And at the 1976, 1976, Lion Heart, me do that. Me not play with people, burn down place and we burn down evil. Tell them say don't get no trouble, live cool and just live humble. Hey, now for the wicked man is a rebel and me tell you say the Lion Heart me burn the devil. Hey, they want to draw me out but me tell them I know better rules too. At the 1976, 1976, 1976 rock. And at the 1976, 1976 Lion Heart me do that. 1976, 1976, 1976 rock. And at the 1976, 1976 Lion Heart me do that. Stop!
Hold on there for a minute, man. I really Ras Lion Heart that.
The Argentine coup d'etat overthrew Isabel Perón as president of Argentina. VHS is released. An earthquake in Guatemala killed 23,000 people. A series of demonstrations and protests led by black school children in South Africa under apartheid takes place. The United States celebrates its
76, 1976, Lion Heart me do that. At the 1976, 1976, 1976 rock.